Namaskar and welcome to the week 9. The objective of this presentation is to review what we studied in the last week and to see what we are going to study in this week. If you recall, the last week we studied the sanitary and hygienic requirements for the different stakeholders. That is, if you know that the Schedule 4 has 5 parts, particularly part 1 is for the petty food business operators, part 2 is for the general requirements for food business operators, then part 3 is for milk and milk products, part 4 is for meat and meat products, part 5 is for catering, and then we also shared with about the COVID-19. So all the documents were related to like basic, advanced, these documents, what are the sanitary and hygienic requirements, and particularly what are the food safety, hygiene and safety guidelines during COVID-19, the presentation prepared by FFSAI, we all studied in detail. Right? Now, in this week, the focus is on the food product standards. Like if we are going to manufacture any product, we must know what are the standards before we release into the market. Similarly, as a consumer also, we should know what we are going to eat, whether the product meets the standards prescribed under law or not. So we have shared the regulations, right? And there are compendium is also prepared, so that link is there and PDF file is there. So in this week we are going to study about the product standards, then the food code and food ethics is there. Now product standards is how it has been presented. It is interesting to know that chapter 1 is general, then chapter 2 is where all the product standards are there and they are given in a systematic way. Like first one is dairy products and analogs, 2.2 is fat, oils and fat emulsions, 2.3 is fruits and vegetable products, then cereal and cereal products come, 2.5 is meat and meat products, then comes the fish and fish products, and 2.7 is about sweet and confectionery, then 2.8 is sweetening agents including honey, then 9 is about salt, spices and related products, then the beverages other than dairy and food in number 10, then the other food products and ingredients number 11, proprietary food in 12, radiation processing of food 13, gluten-free food in 14, and food specially prepared to reduce the gluten in 15. Then chapter 3 gives about the substances added to food, 3.1 is food additives, 3.2 is standards of additives, then 3.3 is the other substances for use in food products. Appendix A gives the list of food additives, then food category system, then food category description, functional classes, definition and technological process, use of food additives in food products. Then there are 15 tables are there and one annexure is there. Appendix B gives the microbiological requirement, table 1A to table 7 is there, and international numbering system is there. So you should know about the particularly your product, and as such also you should be able to glance through all the products. So this is something like the dictionary. So it should be well used how to use this there. So we have also given the additional resources, particularly about the food additives. It is there, right? And what I request you is to check for the food product description and standard for various food groups which are commonly used in house. Like you can take the example of any milk or milk products to fruit, then meat products, then fish, range of 10 to 12 products which you commonly use. Prepare the product standard and just compare it how they are available in the market. So thank you and good wishes please. Thank you.